What's up, guys? The title's gonna be clickbait because I already know what I'm gonna put it as, but I want you guys to know that I bought everything from Supreme shit is fucking corny. That shit is whack. We don't care how much money you guys have. That flexing for little kid stuff is not cool. I want little kids that watch this to know that it doesn't matter if you spent 20,000 at Supreme and now you're unboxing it all. Just buy what you want. It doesn't matter how much money these Blake Linders have. But yeah, right here is the only thing that I bought. I just bought a IBCA deck. I don't have a knife with me, so I'm gonna try to unbox this as fast as I can. Might not be able to. Feel me, the muscles are tired today. Alright, sorry about that. We had some technical difficulties. The board came upside down. I'm not gonna show you guys my information because I don't want to get doxxed, but comes in a nice Supreme skateboard bag. I will never use this shit ever again in my life. But I got the white colorway. This was the only nice colorway that I saw. I want to get the full collection, like all 4 colors, but there's a rumor going around that they're gonna restock like crazy. So I don't want to pay resale just yet. Nice. There's no sticker in there, and usually everyone's box logo sticker was on the board, like on this side. I did not get it, but whatever. I'm still debating whether to hang this up with like the rest of the collection if I end up buying it, or just escape this. So I mean, I guess I'll be in another video, whatever I decide to do with it.
You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad and know, yeah, I'm sad.